Think about it. Right now, 400 miles beneath your feet, an entire ocean is hiding. Not a lake, a whole ocean. Scientists believe it holds more water than all the seas on Earth combined, maybe 3 times more. And the strangest part? Nobody found it by digging. Its secret was revealed by a tiny diamond that rode up inside a volcano. Let's travel to the Juína Valley in Brazil. Diamonds found here come up with volcanoes from incredibly deep inside the Earth. In 2014, scientists looked inside one of these diamonds and saw something that simply should not exist at the surface. Inside that diamond was ringwoodite, a mineral that can only form 400 miles down under crushing pressure. Think of ringwoodite as the deep Earth's sponge. It can soak up water and hold it, locked inside solid stone. When researchers tested the mineral with lasers and X-rays, they discovered that 1.5% of its weight was water. 1.5% sounds tiny, right? But try scaling that up to the size of the entire planet. This layer is hundreds of miles thick and wraps around the whole Earth. If even part of it is wet, the amount of water is unimaginable. One tiny diamond, one microscopic mineral inside it, and suddenly the science textbooks needed rewriting. But a question came up. What if this diamond was just a fluke? To confirm it, scientists decided to listen to the Earth's heartbeat. Humans can't dig 400 miles down. Russia's Kola borehole, the deepest hole ever made, reached only 7.5 miles. The heat down there turned the rock soft like taffy, and the drill simply couldn't go on. So 400 miles? Impossible. That's why scientists use earthquakes. Every quake sends waves traveling right through the planet, like sound through a wall. And just like your voice sounds different through a wet towel, waves passing through wet rock slow down noticeably. Hundreds of seismometers were set up across America, carefully tracking waves from more than 500 earthquakes. And at exactly that depth, the waves slowed down strangely, precisely as if the rock below was wet. The signal appeared again and again, under continents, under oceans. It was no coincidence. The sponge is really there. Then in 2022, another diamond from Botswana told the exact same story, same mineral, same water, same depth. So the hidden ocean is real. But now the question you've been waiting for. Could you actually swim in it? Here comes the twist. This ocean isn't even liquid. No waves, no glowing fish, no lost underwater city. The water down there isn't water as you know it. Extreme pressure rips the molecules apart and stuffs them into the rock's crystals. It's a fourth state of water. Not liquid, not ice, not vapor. Trapped inside solid stone, atom by atom. If you somehow got there, you'd be crushed in an instant and cooked at nearly 2,900 degrees Fahrenheit. No, you'll never swim in Earth's biggest ocean. But it may be the only reason you can swim in any ocean at all. For decades, we believed Earth's water arrived on icy comets and asteroids. But the hidden ocean tells a different story. Maybe the water was inside the Earth from the very beginning, and volcanoes slowly sweated it out, filling the seas from below. That cycle is still running today. Plates carry water down, and volcanoes return it, as if the planet is slowly breathing. So next time you stand on a beach, remember, an even bigger ocean hides right beneath your feet. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe.